Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the new drive is large enough and prepared. Once done, create rescue media and a full backup so you can recover if cloning fails. Next, attach the target drive, either internally or with a USB adapter, and power the system down only to connect it. Boot into your cloning tool or a recovery environment, select disk-to-disk clone, and choose source then target. Make sure to enable sector by sector, only if you need identical partitions and hidden data preserved. Once cloning begins, monitor progress and watch for read/write errors. If you see CRC or bad sector warnings, pause and repair the source first. After a successful copy, boot into a live utility to resize partitions so the new drive uses available space, and align partitions for SSDs. Use one MyB alignment or the tool default. Make sure to rebuild or repair the bootloader. On BIOS, use MBR fixes. On UEFI, recreate the EFI entry and copy the EFI folder. Verify drive ID and mount points. You finish by setting the new disk as primary in BIOS or UEFI, saving settings and booting. Observe boot times and check device drivers load correctly. If the system won't boot, return to rescue media, confirm correct EFI partition and boot flag, run automatic repair or use bootrec and grub install as appropriate, and verify SATA mode, OSI versus RAID. Once stable, keep the old drive disconnected for a few boots, then wipe or repurpose it securely. Remember, test apps and data integrity before erasing anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.